How to fix Alaska Airlines app not working, keep crashing, keep stopping, and stuck on loading screen. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Alaska Airlines app not working, keeps on crashing and stopping, and it's stuck on the loading screen. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Alaska Airlines application on your mobile device, and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now go ahead and open your App Store. Then in the search bar, type in Alaska Airlines. Once you find the app, click on it. And if you see an update button instead of open button highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back, open your system settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Alaska Airlines. Once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down and go to storage. Click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. But clearing the data will include all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding this. And clearing the cache helps in better performance of the app. Now come back and make sure that your internet connection is stable. And then tap and hold the application, click on Uninstall, and completely delete this application from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store. Last but not least, you can also try restarting your entire device and relaunch the application and see if the problem resolves. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the Alaska Airlines app not working, keeps crashing, keeps stopping, and stuck on loading screen. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.